Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Yesterday we were talking about the important terminologies of the flowering plant. So today we will continue with the same. So today's topic is about the attachment of attachment of whorls, flowering whorls on the thalamus. So dear students, you already know about the thalamus. We have already discussed about this thalamus. I will draw the structure so you can remember that this is the thalamus of the flower from where all the whorls are arising. Here we will discuss how the arrangement of these whorls are in different flowers. So according to this attachment of whorls, they have been classified into different categories. We will discuss them one by one. So number one is hypogynous. What is hypogynous flower? Here, this is the thalamus. From thalamus, ovary is arising here from the top of the thalamus. This is the filament and stigma, and the other whorls, they arise below the ovary like this. This is your anther, this is your petal, and this is sepal. So in this diagram you can find out this is the ovary. Ovary is superior here. This is superior. Superior in the sense this grows on the top of this thalamus, and the other whorls like anther, petal, and sepal, they are below the same ovary. This is called as superior ovary, and the condition of the flower is called as hypogynous. Why? Hypo means below. Hypo means below. Gynous means gynoecium. Gynoecium. So gynoecium is your male part, that is ovary, stigma, and style. Then hypogynous means it is above and the other parts are below that. That's why it's called as hypogynous. That means below the gynoecium the other parts are arising. Then comes epigynous. What is epigynous? Epigynous is the condition. Here I will draw the thalamus like this. Inside the thalamus, ovary is arising like this. This is your stigma, this is style, stigma, and this is ovary. Here it is your thalamus. And from this are arising the other whorls like this. This is your petal, this is your sepal, this is your anther. So what happens, in this condition, ovary is inside the thalamus. So thalamus is here it is ovary is inside the thalamus, and this is called as epigynous. That means these other whorls are above the ovary and ovary is inside the thalamus. That means this condition is called as inferior ovary. Why inferior? Because this is below the other whorls. Other whorls are on the top of the thalamus and the ovary is inside the thalamus. So I will give the example. You have seen the apple like this. Everyone must have tasted this. So this is the, here we can find seeds. This is actually ovary, and this part, the fleshy part which we eat, that is called as This is actually thalamus. So this is the example of epigynous ovary. So the seed part, the ovary is inside the thalamus here, and this fleshy part is the thalamus. This type of condition in case of flowers is called as epigynous, and the ovary is called as inferior ovary. So other type is called as perigynous. Perigynous. Perigynous is the condition when all the whorls are arising from the same position. All the whorls are arising from same position. So it has further been classified into different conditions like this. This is the thalamus, it is disc shaped thalamus. So this is ovary and stigma style, and this is anther, this is petal and sepal. All the four whorls are arising from the same position. So we have another condition where the thalamus is cup shaped like this. This is a thalamus. This is a cup shaped thalamus. So what happens here? From this position arises the ovary and stigma, and from the top of this thalamus arises the other whorls, but they are at the same position. So origin wise this ovary is separate from other whorls, but position wise they are at the same position. So this type of condition is called as perigynous. We have another one more type, that is the thalamus is funnel shaped like this. This is the funnel shaped thalamus. So what happens here? From this position the ovary arises and other three whorls arise from this top of the thalamus. So here also we have the condition from origin wise ovary has a different position, but this position wise all whorls are arising from the same thalamus. So these are the conditions. This type of this is seen in case of rose, and this is in plum and peach. These conditions are seen in plum and peach. This is in case of rose. So this was all about the perigynous type of this position of flowers, and with this we have completed the important terminologies of the flower. So in the next lecture we will continue with the this part wise whorls. Thank you.